Hello friends, welcome on my channel. Thanks for watching my video. Today I have a very interesting video about charging port. Now you can see it's charging. Before was customer brought this phone and charging pin till here was broken inside. This piece I recovered from the inside. When I tried from here to clean or remove their part, it was very hard. I will show you how I removed this part from the inside, how I did. And you can see here I made the little hole and put the straight screwdriver from here and pushed from here. The pins was out, otherwise it's very, I think so, it's not possible to come out from the charging port. I hope guys, when you're facing this problem, you will use this method and this will be helpful for you. See you in the next video. Don't forget to subscribe my channel. Take care. Bye bye.